My name is Ricky, and today we're doing food truck reviews.
My favorite food truck is the halal food truck near DRL. Usually I go for chicken over rice.
I would give this a good 9.3 out of 10.
One of the food trucks I really like is Kami Food Truck on Drexel campus. I like to order their Korean corn dog and rice cakes.
Really good. 8.5 out of 10. Very chewy. Very good. 8 out of 10.
I like the halal truck by the Wawa. I like to order the lamb over rice.
9.1 out of 10.
I love to order the kimchi fried rice from this spot right under the bridge.
Very good. 8.7 out of 10.
My favorite food truck is Tyson V's.
9 out of 10.